This is not to say that such persons have no love for the divine personalities they worship, but the dominant element is mental, and the mind gets boggled in identifying divinity through love, which Baba is. There were sages and saints of acknowledged spiritual stature who have acknowledged and accepted the divinity of Baba, like Sai Baba of Shirdi, Upasani Baba of Sakori, and Baba Jan of Pune, all of whom had taken a share in unveiling the attributes of divinity to Baba's perceptual consciousness. The mass who are in a state of constant absorption in God consciousness and who are in an advanced state of spiritual development are known to have averred, arrived, arrived అనుకుంటుంది, arrived Baba's unfathomable divinity. One cannot know God unless one becomes God. Are Baba lovers then so near to God realization, and they realize what many fail to realize, namely the divinity of Baba? Baba lovers are, as a rule, not conscious of their degree or status and spiritual advancement, and are least bothered about it. Having tasted love of Baba, their only concern is how to keep loving him more and more. They have found their love to be at the very source of happiness and bliss they experience in life. For such happiness, they have experienced Baba. Baba is and has been God to them. Baba lives in their hearts, and Baba is everything to them. They are nothing to them. If they are asked whether they longed for God realization, they would say they live in Baba and they live for Baba, and they do not long for anything else than love for Baba. When one ceases to live for oneself, one lives in God, and Baba lovers find sufficiency, completeness, and contentment of inaction in the very dynamic living they live in Baba, and for the love of Baba. Such is the actionless action which love of God inspires, and the same actionless action Baba lovers perform out of their fullness of love for Baba. The foregoing account is of Baba lovers who have attained a maturity in their love of Baba. That is, those whose egos have been consumed in their love of Baba, and who in their personal lives offer living examples of humility, renunciation, and glowing services and sacrifice for others. They do not show themselves off and are content to live in obscurity unknown to others. It is only when others contact them and experience their personal association that they realize the heroism of unknownness, which only a genuine love of God can inspire and support. Let me read this paragraph and we'll stop for discussion. Baba lovers do not all at once reach the height zenith of love for Baba. But even a little love, when it is born in the heart, puts its unmistakable stamp of truth on the personality, which is drawn to it as iron is drawn to the magnet. With growing conscious experience of life and the relations it brings, consciousness veers more and more towards love and truth rather than towards the little things of life which ego considers necessary and important. This giving up of things, like the so called good things of life, good food, good comforts, and good in everything, which please the senses, give rise to pain. But the joy of love and tie values in nourishes are felt precious and life-giving. And therefore, in fullness of time, the promptings of ego are rejected for the more precious, life-giving joy of love and its values. With progress of experience, love becomes the dominant motive force of life to the exclusion of ego and the pleasures that it craves for. So, Kiran, let's stop here for a little discussion. And
yes.
This is beautiful chapter, really. Whole gist of Baba's philosophy comes in this one particular chapter.
Good.
You get raise one question.
so, Pavan, you got some answer from this first paragraph? Baba's love is pouring this one.
Yes, mine. So I think I got some clarity. I won't say 100% still. Maybe a little more introspection is needed. But I felt that the analogy, the sun or the rain, we spoke of sunlight or rain. And depending upon our conscious evolution and our sanskaras, we are either in a position to understand Baba or get attracted to Baba or get drawn towards Baba, or sometimes the Maya is so strong that maybe we are not yet attracted. That's my takeaway. But I feel a little more introspection is definitely needed. And I'm not in this call, but over some time. Yeah. But definitely some better clarity since I asked the question.
What is the question, Pavan? What is the second question?
Kadu. I didn't ask second question. Back to the original question, no? Dan Guరించి Ravimai was asking.
Okay.
Kadu, one question I have. Let me see if I can frame it properly. This goes back to my thinking of God is infinity. It's all encompassing. It's the universe. So it's everything. But as soon as you try to make it finite, either because our human brain needs to accept it or understand it, you're trying to take all that infinity and trying to make it specific, right? So you take any religion, Islam, Hinduism, or you take Baba lovers, the very fact that as soon as you're saying Baba lovers are special for some reason, right? Because they've been given the grace or whatever, you're making it finite. And for those who are not, maybe Gautam, I won't pick on you, but I'll put myself in your same category. Let us say we are more inquisitive about, from an intellectual standpoint, suddenly you get excluded almost because you have not experienced the grace like somebody else did, right? So how do you experience the infinite when expression is all finite, whether it be Baba, Islam, Hinduism, anything? I don't know. My question makes sense. ఈ chapter లో కూడా బాగుంది. It answered Pavan's question.
Kiran.
Huh? Pavan?
No, I was just saying I understood your question. Go ahead. Okay. Maybe I can very quickly give my response.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Pavan.
Very, very quickly. Sorry, Mike. Just very quickly, Kiran. That I feel that is the ego that when I understood what you're saying. Somewhere there seems to be like an exclusive club of Baba lovers that has gotten created one way or the other. I'm putting in a blunt way.
Yeah.
And then somewhere these Baba lovers are saying, I got the grace of Baba. I was able to connect to Baba. And poor Kiran, poor Gautam, they didn't get the connection. Sorry, I'm putting it bluntly. But that's the essence of your question. Correct? Have I got that right?
Yes. At the same time, they also say that Baba is infinite.
Correct. So I think that is definite. My view is that is the interpretation of, at the end of the day, all these people who are saying this are also humans, and they are not out of the rut of ego and their own sanskaras, correct? So the reality is that it is their egos which is creating this messaging, is my view. It is just like everything else. Bhagavad Gita was narrated by Krishna to Arjuna. Ultimately, it became a religion. I mean, there was a religion that gets created, and then this religion creates certain people who are excluded from it, from a certain category, and other people are included. So I feel that there should be no difference, absolutely no difference between a Baba lover and a person who's not a Baba lover. We are all humans in our journey, and we are all going through different stages of our journey. That is it, with no judgment, no black or white associated with any person's particular spot in their journey. That is my view.
Kiran,
Chipma.
Baba అన్నారంటే don't try to understand me with your mind. Try to connect me with your heart. అక్కడ when you are using your mind, your ego is coming. Okay? నువ్వు నేను పిహెచ్డి చేశాను, నేను డిఎం చేశాను అనుకుని యు ఆర్ ట్రయింగ్ టు కనెక్ట్ టు బాబా. ఓకే, ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సారీ. నిన్ను నీవు ఇన్నసెంట్ హార్ట్ తో that our Anjamma is artistic lady, she can't hear, but she could connect to Baba. What degree she has? What did she read discourses or God speaks? How she got connected to Baba? Okay, నాకు గ్లోలో అంత బండిల్స్ చేయడం విత్ ఫుల్ హార్ట్ తో చేస్తుంది. తన రెమ్యునరేషన్ ఇస్తున్నాను అదేం కాదు, అవుట్ ఆఫ్ లవ్. హౌ షీ గాట్ కనెక్టెడ్ టు గాడ్ విత్ హర్ హార్ట్. ఓకే, ఎవ్రీబడి షుడ్ ట్రై టు కనెక్ట్ గాడ్ విత్ అవర్ హార్ట్. నేను ఇవాళ ఒక ఎగ్జామ్, నేను ఐఎమ్ ఎక్సీడింగ్ మై టైం. టుడే ఈజ్ నాగపంచమి, పెద్ద రిచువలిస్టిక్ పూజ. అదేంటి పాము దీంట్లో పుట్టలో వేయాలని చేస్తున్నారు. ఓకే, సెకండ్ రోడ్ లో రాధా ఆంటీనో దే కేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ యుఎస్ఏ, లండన్ నుంచి వచ్చారు. తనకు జ్వరం వచ్చేసింది, క్వారంటైన్ లో ఉంది, బయటికి రాకూడదు. ఆన్ ద హ్యాండ్ పుట్ ద స్టాంప్. సీక్రెట్ గా నాకును ఎదురుగుండా పవన్ రఘు వాళ్ళ మదర్ కి చెప్పింది. చెప్పి గీత నేను అడిగాను, రాధా నీకు ఏం మెడిసిన్స్ పంపిస్తున్నా, మెహరామృత్ పంపుతున్నా, some curries and chapatis, and her thing is whole thing, Geeta, don't tell others, don't tell others. She's concentrating on that. Who will tell Radha? I want to help you how to get you medicines. I consult my people. Okay, any medicines, and they are more worried about others will ఏం చేస్తారు, ఆస్ట్రసైజ్ చేసేస్తారని ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, అర్థమైంది కదా. హోల్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ ఇక్కడ అదర్ పీపుల్ ఏంటంటే ఎవరికైనా ఇలా జ్వరం వచ్చిందనగానే నోబడి ఆ రోడ్డుకే వెళ్లకుండా అలా అయిపోయింది ఇక్కడ ఇండియాలో. వెరీ అంటే హ్యూమన్ టచ్ పోయింది. ఓకే, ఎక్కడికో ఐఎమ్ నాట్ డయాగ్రెసింగ్. ఇవాళ నాగపంచమి కదా, ఎవ్రీబడి ఈస్ గోయింగ్ విత్ మిల్క్, హనీ అండ్ ఆల్ గోయింగ్. బట్ తాత దట్ చాప్టర్, వండర్ఫుల్ చాప్టర్, he wrote about that rituals in the beginning, how religion in the beginning are ritualistic గా. వాళ్ళకి ఏంటంటే ఈ రిచువల్స్ ఇఫ్ వి డూ, ఇప్పుడు తిరుపతికి వెళ్ళి యూ షేవ్ మై హెడ్, మై సన్ గెట్స్ ఎంసెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఏదో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్, ఒక పర్పస్ పెట్టుకుని వాళ్ళ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ గాడ్ ఈజ్ అంతే. మన కోరికలు తీర్చే గాడ్ ఈజ్ ఏ పర్సన్, మన కోరికలు తీరుస్తాడు మనకి. బికాజ్ వీఆర్ రీడింగ్ దెర్ ఈస్ హయ్యర్ దాన్ దట్, అవర్ గోల్ ఈజ్ హయ్యర్ దాన్ దట్ అనేది ఒకటి ఉంది అని క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. బికాజ్ అంటే డిస్కోర్సెస్ అవి చదవడం వలన, భగవద్గీత చదవడం వలన. ఓకే,
పవన్
ఆన్సర్ దొరికిందా? డిఎం కి పిహెచ్డి కి
క్వశ్చన్.
డిఎం
I lost your question, Pavan. Kiran question I followed. Pavan, I didn't get your question.
ఏంటి సిద్ధు, రిపీట్ చేయి, I didn't understand.
Kadu, Pavan, you asked a question for this whole discussion started kada. I didn't get the question. Yeah.
Okay. I'll repeat that question. I'll try to give it verbatim what I had asked earlier. My question was that on the one hand, I was talking about Tata's book, page 23. He says that it's like sunlight, Baba's love, God's love is like sunlight. It is available for the whole, not for one individual, but for whole humanity. Okay, that is one thought. But at other times we tend to hear that Baba chooses his lovers. We do not choose, Baba chooses his lovers. And I felt there was a contradiction between these 2 points, because Baba chooses everybody, not just a few select lovers, right? That was my question originally.
Karan, can I respond?
Fine, go ahead.
Karan, your question is exclusion, kada? There are two people involved here, you and the other people. Exclusion. Not only Baba thing, but other things also.
Yeah.
Let's say you studied chemical engineering in A&M University. When you go into the department, everybody is connected with the chemical engineering department, what's going on, and you talk and all those things. Suddenly, some civil engineer department guy comes and enters into your department. He doesn't know anything, and most of you guys try to avoid him, right? Because why would you want to spend time about civil engineering, and you are already in your own world of that is the general attitude of the people. And as Gita was saying, somebody was saying, people's egos are also involved. We are not perfect, and we have a quality of projection. The projection is a psychological. Gita knows much better than me. Whatever I am, my ego is such that I project it on you. I love Baba, so you should love Baba. I like sweets, you also should eat sweets. I like scotch, you also drink scotch. So these kind of depends upon how much power or influence I have on you or on others. I try to constantly project that because of my basic ego problems. But as a Baba lover, if you are really truly following what Baba said, we should not separate some people who are Baba lovers are more important, and people who are not Baba loving, we should not separate them out. That is going against Baba's values. We should see everybody with love, without expecting our own interests. So this exclusiveness anedi, to conclude, one part is your part also. Maybe I am excluded from this group అన్న ఫీలింగ్ నీలో ఉంటుంది, అండ్ మిగతా వాళ్ళు కూడా ఎక్స్క్లూజన్ చేసే క్వాలిటీ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఈ రెండు కాంబినేషన్ వలన people might feel I'm excluded from this. So what is the answer for that? I don't know. We have to think about it. Jai Baba.
Thank you. Good. Anybody else?
చెప్పు ప్రసన్న.
So I agree with what Rimai has said. I don't think Baba said you have to exclude people who are not Baba lovers and people who are Baba lovers. This Baba lovers saying that we are fortunate, than the non-unbelievers. It's not like that. Baba's grace is on everybody equally, as it is on a Baba lover. It is the same on non-believer. Because Baba is God. If you believe Baba is God, yes, it is like that. It is only our perception and subjective perception that we are judgmental about others, which I don't think is right. Everybody has their own in their own way, right?
Yeah.
We are not judgmental about others, Ram. We have to do our hard work. Everybody's journey is different. Baba said, how many people are there? So many paths are there to reach me.
See,
Okay?
in your journey, why do you want to help somebody, you are helping. But you are telling that you are not you are not in Baba's thing, so it's wrong and everything. They might be like something else for that. They might be seeing God in a different God, like Krishna or somebody. So Krishna is God. Like Baba is God, Krishna is also God. Yes, but love to God is important. Then who
Yes. ఇప్పుడు సర్దార్జీస్ ఉన్నారా, హౌ మచ్ లంగర్స్ దే ఆర్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటింగ్ కుకింగ్ అండ్ ఫుడ్. రామకృష్ణ పరమహంస దేర్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ హౌ మచ్ ఫర్ పూర్ పీపుల్. అక్కడ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ లవ్ ఆఫ్ గాడ్ దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్. ఇక్కడ మన బాబా ప్లాట్ఫామ్ కాబట్టి బాబా మీద డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. వాట్ బాబా సెడ్, వాట్ తాతా సెడ్.
Yeah, that's true.
No, that's true. My question was never to say Baba lovers are doing that. It's more general question. So this is not specific about Baba lovers. My question was more generic about how
God lovers.
How the seeking of God is for the infinite, but all expression of those pursuits are finite. and how that identity gets formed, and how if you're not in that finite definition, then you're almost out of it. That was the question, not specific that way to Baba Love.
See, one thing we have to realize is once you become a Baba lover, you're not a perfect person. We are all in a journey going from unknown to the known. See, we talked about Baba putting divine seed, right? Baba puts a divine seed in our heart. To grow and become big, there is a big journey. You know, we are not changing overnight from normal human being to complete Baba lover. So we are all traveling. In that process, we all do mistakes. That's we have to understand that.
That's good.
But Kiran, what the another thought coming is this exclusiveness చేయటం చూసావా అది very low level అన్నమాట. If you look at this, some of the fundamentalists, fanatics, there's another extreme. That's what they do. If you don't believe in Allah, I'm going to kill you. All the infidel, you're an infidel aన్నమాట if you don't believe in my God. So there's another extreme. So that's why we have to watch out. Our mind has that quality. Everybody has that quality. We have to watch out. Whenever that comes out, we have to make sure that is not aggravated. We are in control of that. See, what is spirituality? Spirituality is number one, loving a personality. Another thing is, second most important thing is to know who we really are. అది లేకపోతే they won't be in spiritual progress. నేను బాబా గారిని ప్రే చేసేసి ఆర్ క్రైస్ట్ని ప్రే చేసి చర్చ్కి వెళ్ళి మందిరికి వెళ్ళి బయటకు వచ్చి అందరిని తిడతా కూర్చున్నాను అనుకో, ఈడదవా ఆడదవా అని, అబ్సల్యూట్లీ నో యూజ్ అట్ ఆల్. అసలు యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టు గో టు చర్చ్ అండ్ మందిర్ అండ్ బాబా. యూ హ్యావ్ టు డెవలప్ యువర్ పర్సనాలిటీ ఫస్ట్. That is important, more important.
Yeah. Good, Mike. So I'm just looking at the time here. It's 10:50. How long do we want to go on for another? It's India lo enta
9:15.
Pawan, I know it's getting late for you. Should we? Any other perspectives, Tanuja?
తనుజ మాట్లాడలే, అసలు నాకు కనపడనే లేదు తనుజ.
తనుజ ఉందా కాల్లో? తను ఉంది కదా? యా.
ఇందాక చూసాను తనుని.
అత్త నాకు చేస్తున్నారు కదా, అవునా?
కట్ అయిపోతుంది అన్న, నీ వాయిస్ కట్ అయిపోతుంది.
రీసౌండ్ అవుతుంది.
హలో,
చెప్పు.
Everybody mute, then we can hear him properly.
అన్నారు కదా. So did Baba choose these people or ఏంటి?
Sidhu, I think you should off your video, camera off చేసి ఆడియోతో మాట్లాడు.
అత్త వినపడుతుందా?
Better go ahead and ask the question.
Atta, my question is, ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి, డిస్కషన్ ఇస్ బాబా చూసెస్ హిస్ లవర్స్ అని అన్నారు కదా. మరి లంగారు చేస్తున్న సిక్కులు కానీ, అన్నదానం చేస్తున్న రామకృష్ణ పరమహంస భక్తులు కానీ, ఆర్ దే చూసన్ బై బాబా ఆర్ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ టేక్ ఆన్ దట్?
Chosen by God. There's only one power, different names. Okay? Baba, Krishna, Rama, Buddha, Allah are all same. Vinnava, Sidhu? Sidhu?
విన్నా.
అందుకని ఇంటర్నెట్ బిల్ పే చేసావా సిద్ధు? వీడియో రావట్లేదు, ఓన్లీ వాయిస్ వస్తుంది.
సగం
సగమే కట్టావా? అందుకే వీడియో రావట్లేదు.
Hey, joke చేస్తున్నారు. No, moderator is saying no more jokes. No jokes.
Okay.
కాదు, Sidhu answer ఇచ్చిన అమ్మ. Any other follow up from you, Sidhu? Any other perspective? Or I know
no, okay.
Tanuja was coming online earlier. Maybe
తను ఫ్లాష్ అవుతోంది.
చెప్తాను.
అదిగో చెప్పు.
సిద్ధు, ఆ బాబా లవర్ ట్యాగ్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాదు సిద్ధు. ఎనీ లవర్ ట్యాగ్ అంటే కృష్ణ లవర్ కానీ, కృష్ణ భక్త్ కానీ, రామ్ భక్త్ అని, ఆ ట్యాగ్ అనేది అసలు మోస్ట్ అన్ఇంపార్టెంట్ సిద్ధు. వాట్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ యూ ఫాలో. మనలో ఉండే ఇది కానీ, ఆ సెల్ఫ్లెస్ లవ్ కానీ, కంపాషన్ కానీ, చిన్న చిన్న ఎవ్రీడే లైఫ్ లో మనం చూపించే ఇది ఉంటుంది చూసావా, కైండ్నెస్ కానీ, మేకింగ్ సంబడి వెదర్ ఫీలింగ్ లో, అలాంటి చిన్న చిన్న దాన్ని పెట్టేసిద్దు మనం మన ఇది అనేది, మన స్పిరిచువల్ గ్రోత్ అనేది డిటర్మైన్ అయ్యేది. నాట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ సమ్ ట్యాగ్. బాబా లవర్ ట్యాగ్ డజంట్ మేక్ అస్ ఎనీ సుపీరియర్. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ ఫీల్.
ఒక్క స్టేట్మెంట్ బాబా, వాట్ బాబా సెడ్, కెన్ ఐ టెల్ యూ? బాబా ఓన్ వర్డ్స్. Since Baba's latest avatar, okay, with only one God, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Jesus Christ, Muhammad. Since Baba's avatar is latest avatar, the last 100 years after he drops the body, the 100 years it will be more powerful. His own words I'm saying, okay? I'm telling Baba's words only. Did you follow?
Shall we do some household work? Okay. Next week, Siddhu is going to talk about love. Siddhu, you have to make sure that you have a laptop, kada? If you log in through your laptop, then it will be much more clear than. I think right now you're on laptop, I think, right? Okay, it will be much more clear in your voice, Adi. And Gautam is going to moderate. And next, again, we are coming back to reading Meher Baba book. And then following week, Praveen, are you ready? Tanu's computer kavali. She is going to take the.
నాకు ల్యాప్టాప్ లేదు ప్రవీణ్, నువ్వు చేయాలి. ఫోన్ తో చాలా కష్టం చేయాలి.
ఆడియో పెట్టు, తను నాకు పంపించు స్లైడ్.
నువ్వు ఇవ్వు, నిన్ను చూసి నేను చేస్తాను ప్లీజ్.
ప్రవీణ్, ఇప్పుడు పోస్ట్ పోన్ చేసావు, ఎప్పుడప్పుడు తగులుకుంటావు. దేర్ ఇస్ నో ఎస్కేప్. యు కెనాట్ ఎస్కేప్.
ప్రవీణ్ is somewhat, I think he's doing something parallel activity.
కూర్చొని వింటున్నాను.
పడుకుని వింటున్నాడు. బాబా గారు భక్తుడువేనా?
నించుంటాను.
అందరూ లేచి నుంచి ప్రేయర్ చేస్తుంటే నువ్వు పడుకుని చేస్తావు ప్రేయర్.
So, but I'm very interested in hearing Praveen's views on the topic we discussed.
See, Pavan, you have got fan farming, Praveen. Okay.
Praveen, always.
Geeta, nuvu kuda. You want to talk, Geeta, on any topic?
Very good question, Pavan. Adi, it's a very sensitive question also. You know, I think andaru chepparu kada, same thing. Very sensitive question, and it actually is the cause of world problems, right? Typically, a lack of understanding of God. ఏమవుతుందంటే, an extreme form of your question is that if you do not believe in Christ, you would go to hell. That is an extreme form of your question. Basically, I think what we all understand is God cannot be understood. God cannot be understood, only experienced. There is a reason for that, right? Then, because God incarnated in many different forms over years and mankind, maybe that's our illusion. God might not be there. Also, some people believe God is not there, which is all fine. But I think what we all understand is soul is going through a spiritual journey. People who understand the spirituality, they think soul is going through a spiritual journey. Gani, no one understands this journey really, with our limited mind, because the mind always operates in duality. It says good and bad, blessed versus not blessed. He's a Baba lover versus not a Baba lover. because that is how the mind operates all the time. I think that some things Baba has said people can understand easily. Not only Baba, any God, right? And anyone has said people can understand and interpret. When I say people, it is the mind. Sometimes they are not understood very well. The misunderstanding of this causes a lot of issues. That is my. So I don't go towards things. I understand there is no clear answer, and because I don't have a clear answer with the logical mind, I would step back and say, okay, that's probably parked, and we can talk about that or understand when time comes.
Good
Very
point.
nice.
Good point.
Thank you.
Nice.
So you're set after Siddharth, you're set, Praveen. You're giving very good explanation. Only thing is continue for 25 minutes. That's it.
Very good. Today, good session.
How about Geeta? You want to give a talk, Geeta?
Gautam?
కాదు వీళ్ళు వర్క్ చేస్తారు డాక్టర్ ఇన్ ద ఎండ్ మనం
అక్క నీకు నేను సపోర్ట్ చేస్తా. ఓకే నువ్వు నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ సిద్ధిగాడి తర్వాత నువ్వే
సిద్ధిగాడికి హెల్ప్ చేస్తాను కావాలంటే ఏదైనా స్లైడ్స్ తో
పర్లేదక్క, నేను డ్రాప్ అవుతాను.
కాదు నాకు హెల్ప్ చేయను.
మేమంతా
ప్రవీణ్ తర్వాత నేను చెప్తాను.
అక్క నువ్వు నాకు హెల్ప్ చెయ్యి, నువ్వు ఇద్దాం. ఓకే
అలాగే
అలా చేయండి.
ఒకటి వన్ థింగ్
వెరీ గుడ్ ఐడియా.
కిరణ్ గౌతమ్ పవర్ పాయింట్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఇచ్చారని చెప్పి అందరూ పవర్ పాయింట్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఇవ్వాలని ఏం లేదు. Chantmai wrote it in a paper and read it, and that's how also you can do it. Or you can open a book and start reading it. We will note all the points and we can.
Children, they are reading Baba book because of this. You are we're doing some homework. ఒక చాప్టర్ అన్నా చదువుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లవ్ ఉంది అనుకో, లవ్ అంతా చదువుతావు డిస్కోర్సెస్ లో. సిద్ధు కమ్ ఆన్, డూ ఇట్ విత్ భార్గవిస్ హెల్ప్. బోత్ ఆఫ్ యూ డూ టుగెదర్. You will read the chapter of love.
Sidhu chestanalle the following week. Let's not prolong too much. Praveen, we need an answer. Are you going to do it or what is the deal?
Jai Praveen.
I mean, everybody has to take a turn. It's not like I want to listen all the time and not contribute anything.
We will also do.
Praveen agreed to do. Praveen will do. Praveen will collaborate with Amma and they'll do. Okay, and
okay. The sequence is Praveen, Geeta, and then Tanu. Okay, next sequence.
Okay.
Praveen ki మేము help చేయాలి కదా. We have to give pass information.
Praveen అడిగితే help చేయాలి.
Praveen will reach out to you, ma. Okay.
ముగ్గురు కాదు, ముగ్గురు చేస్తున్నారా?
ముగ్గురు
కాదు, నీకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తా, ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ సప్లై చేస్తాం రా.
డిఫరెంట్. నేను అక్క నెక్స్ట్ వీక్, అక్క నాకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. తను సెపరేట్ గా.
సిద్ధు నెక్స్ట్ వీక్. Sidhu next week, right? Next week after Sidhu is same thing. Tata book. After Tata book 3 weeks lo Praveen, and if you want help you can reach out to Amma.
Okay.
Moderation Prasanna. Gautam next week Gautam tarvata nuvu Prasanna moderation. Okay? Tarvata Tanu nuvu moderation.
కాదు మై అమ్మకి ఇచ్చేస్తే మోడరేషన్. షీ కెన్ కంట్రోల్ ఎవ్రీవన్స్ టాకింగ్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ షీ కెన్.
మీ అమ్మకి పర్మనెంట్ కి ఇచ్చేద్దామా?
అది కరెక్ట్. పర్మనెంట్ కి ఇస్తే ఎక్సలెంట్ ఐడియా అది.
make the troublemaker the chief minister.
ನಾನು ಮಾట్లాಡ್ನೆ ನోరుకి టేప్ వేసి పెట్టుకోవచ్చు.
అమ్మా ప్రిన్సిపల్
the troublemaker. 1 week you should do moderation, Geeta. 1 week you should do moderation. And somebody need record the statistics.
నేను సప్లైర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ సప్లై చేస్తా. ప్రవీణ్ కి, సిద్ధు నీకు కావాలన్నా, భార్గవి హెల్పర్, తను you also be in the picture supplying the information. Tanu will do independently. Tanu present చేస్తుంది, బాగా చేస్తుంది.
Tanu will do independently. Only Praveen and Sidhu are the problems. Help చేయొచ్చులే. Tanu is very good. He doesn't need any help. Praveen needs lots of help. Praveen, Sidhu.
Praveen సప్లై చేస్తాను మీకు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ సప్లై చేస్తారా? Okay.
Okay, good. So very good.
Again,
But wait, think about next week.
Last, just wrap this up. Gautami, do you want to say anything? Your question వచ్చింది కానీ నీ opinion రాలేదు. So do you want to share anything before we wrap this up and do Beloved God?
Okay.
yeah, basically, what నువ్వు చెప్పిన ఎవరు ప్రవీణ్ చెప్పిన ఆన్సర్ ఐ మీన్ concordance with everyone. What I was saying is Ravichandran మాట్లాడిన వై మెహర్ బాబా is in contradiction to what we discussed, right? వై మెహర్ బాబా అంటే బాబా గారు you are able to listen to me, right?
Yes.
So Meher Baba garu, the advantages of being a Meher Baba garu lover is being talked about is why Meher Baba. Kani the question is, the discussion was contradictory to that. Contradictory and chappan gani, the discussion has been in a different way. That all people who are lovers of God are unique in their own way.
Yes. True.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay. Anybody else? Any last final words?
Praveen, I have a question. నువ్వు ఏ టాపిక్ మీద ఇస్తున్నావు? What is your topic?
తెలియదు ఇంకా.
అది కమింగ్ వీక్స్ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్
అది గీతక్క మాట్లాడి గీతక్క మీద సైలెన్స్. గీతక్క నేను సైలెన్స్ మీద ఇస్తాం.
ఏంటంటే
సైలెన్స్.
నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ మీద కాన్సంట్రేట్ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్. ద కమింగ్ వీక్స్ విల్ డిస్కస్.
Okay. Sorry. Good. Shall we do Beloved God and wrap it up?
Come on, stand up.
బాబు మోడరేటర్ లో కొంచెం 5 minutes ముందరే రావాలా, అంతే లాస్ట్ మినిట్ లో
Fine.
కాదమ్మా, bell. I was looking for a bell.
Come on, stand
సరే
up.
బాయ్ చదువుతావా? బాయ్ బెల్వెట్ గాడ్ ప్రేయర్ చదువుతావా? బాయ్
మీరు ఎవరైనా చదవండి. తనకి బుక్ ఏమైనా కావాలేమో.
అక్కర్లా. చంటి చెప్పండి. చంటి చదువు లేకపోతే.
చంటి చెప్పు. చంటి
అందరూ మ్యూట్ చేయండి.
Beloved God, help us all to love you more and more and more, and still yet more, till we become worthy of you, union with you. Help us all to hold fast Baba's Thaman till the very end. Jai Baba. Okay?
అవతార్ మెహర్ బాబా కి జై.
జై బాబా.
జై బాబా. Bye. Jai Baba. Bye. God bless you all.
Bye, Ma. Bye.
గౌతమ్, నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ తన్వి చేత ప్రేయర్స్ చేయిస్తావా?
చెప్తాను.
జై బాబా.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba, for
అడుగు
everything.
చెప్పని చెప్పు.
చెప్తా, లేకపోతే నేనే. పవన్ గారు ఉన్నాడే? పవన్ గారు నిద్రపోతున్నాడా?
వాడు లేట్ అయిపోయింది.
లేదురా, నేను ఉన్నాను. I'm there.
ఓకే. ఏం లేదురా, ఎవరు మన ఆహన్ అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ గురించి అడుగుదామని అడిగాను అనమాట. ఉన్నావా లేదా అని అడిగాను. వాట్ వై యూ థింక్ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఒపీనియన్ అడిగావు కదా ఆహన్.
కరెక్ట్.
So you like to based on his beliefs later. Suppose తర్వాత బాబా గారు లేకపోతే ఇంకెవరైనా స్పిరిచువల్ లేకపోతే ఇంకేదైనా రిలీజియన్కి వెళ్ళారా?
Gautam, you're breaking up.
Not able to hear you, Gautam, properly.
Sit in one spot.
గౌతమ్, అదే నువ్వు వీడియో ఆఫ్ చేస్తే నీ బ్యాండ్ విడ్త్ వాయిస్ క్లియర్లీ వస్తుంది.
ఓకే. ఛార్జింగ్ అయిపోతుందని
ఇద్దరు both brothers are paid only half the bill.
Family plan లాగా.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తుందా?
Yes, much better.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
అదే ఆహన్ గారు, నువ్వు బాబాని బిలీవ్ చేస్తావని అడిగావు కదా. Question to Ahan, right? So what do you think of Baba?
Yes. Yeah.
So What Ahan said was, I think Baba is real because Tadgaru has seen it. Okay. And would you like to reason? Suppose Tarvat Ahan doesn't believe in Baba, or he believes in something else. Would you like to reason with him, or tan believe nalla sawa tan din ke?
I will leave it, Gautam. That's my view. So just to my view is I so can you hear me, Gautam? Okay.
Yeah.
My view is I'm very clear on this view on matter that I do not want